ever driven a 520D before?
Nope.
What has today become to? I'm going as fast as I can. Look.
Wow, that's very fast.
Alright, so now I'm gonna invite you to experience what it's like down there for
Sure, bro.
basic cars.
It's still an F10, bro.
Still an F10.
Yeah.
A very slow one. So this, if you don't know, is the lowest spec 5 series you can get, and this M5 comp is the highest F10 you can get. So yeah, you can't find this anywhere on YouTube.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
Honestly, it feels similar. Bro, I
Okay.
love the digital meters.
Bro, you can have them if you want. I like yours better.
But it's quiet.
It's quiet, it's really quiet.
It's really quiet. Steering feels good.
Bro, don't worry, even if you floor this car over here, nothing's gonna happen, so I don't even need my own reaction for this.
We're using signals now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. I was hoping for something. Oh wow.
Nice, right?
It's very nice. Bro.
Unique, actually.
Very unique. It's very different actually. you know when it's the same interior, so you get a similar feeling
Yeah,
to my car.
yeah.
But then when you floor it, you was hoping to get that inner shell, but okay, let's try one more time. Third gear pull. But the gearbox is so smooth that I can. Bro, it's so comfortable. I swear, better than mine.
Maybe better is the wrong word here. For me, would you suggest keeping this or selling this and getting the?
I think you're better off selling this and get it. Definitely, you
Okay.
won't regret it.
So you want to trade cars?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment. Final thoughts. I want an M5 and he probably doesn't want a 520.
For me, it's a good daily, but the power is a bit on the low side for me. Yeah, I'm used to.
Yeah.
With this car, it feels like I'm not pressing the pedal. But overall, it's a good car. It's still a Beamer, bro.
Yeah.
It's still a good car.
What are you thinking?